Hi everyone, we're in this sleepy little railroad town called Buckholts, Texas. There's really not a whole lot here, but let's go take a look anyway. First up is the old gas station. You can tell there was a little pump thing right in the middle at some point, maybe 100 years ago. You got this old building right here. Not that old, but you got a blacksmith and welding shop right here. I'm not sure if it's still operational, but it might be. And right there is some old building. No trespassing. You see right over there, there's the train tracks. And right here, I can't tell what that building used to be, but it's a nice big old building, probably 100 years old. Looking good. I'm not sure it's not in use either. It's got a big old refrigerator in front though. Well, maybe somebody lives there. Could be a private residence. I'm not sure. We got our first mural. There's not a whole lot in Buckholts, but they do have a big old mural. So give them props for that. Let's take a look. Got the railroad, you got the farmer guy, you got more farmers. This is painted by the friends of this community. As you can see right there. Got cotton and corn being grown in this area. And of course cattle. And this is the community center. And an outreach organization, which is great. You know, this building has pretty nice architecture. I like whenever they jazz up the brickwork on the top. And you see there's not much over there, and you get the fire department and the town hall and municipal court in this tiny little building. And next to that is a vacant, really nice looking vacant building. I think the municipal court should move into this building. It's really nice. And that is Buckholts, Texas, everyone. Just a sleepy little town in the middle of nowhere. All right, thanks everyone for coming along with me. Remember, you're all dearly loved. Uh-oh, the train's coming. Might be stuck in Buckholts for a little while. I just noticed on the side of that building there was a dry goods, so that was the old grocery store back in the day. Right by the train station. All right, y'all. See ya.